So welcome back to Advanced Math. Let's go ahead and start right up with some graphing problems, okay? So number one is if you are given the line y is equal to 3x plus 5, which points are on the graph? I don't know why I said, oh yeah, which points, okay. So 1, 8, 0, negative 5, which of these are on the graph? Now you might be asking, Mr. Mian, how on earth do I find the points that are on the graph? And it's very simple. Remember that the first number of each of these is your x, and your second number is your y. So all you're going to have to do is you're going to plug the x into here, and if it gives you the same y, you're good. So let's go ahead and check here. Let's go ahead and check for this one. Y is equal to 3 times, what's the x here? Well, the x is obviously 1. So 3 times 1 plus 5, and let's check. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 5 is 8. So that looks like this one is on the graph. So we're going to go ahead and put a check mark by that, or you can circle it if you like, okay? Let's check the second one. Y is equal to 3 times, what's my 0 here? Well, my x, is obviously 0, plus 5, and that gives me, what's 3 times 0? That's 0, plus 5 is 5. Positive 5. Is that the same thing as this? No, it's not. So then this is not part of the graph. Let's go ahead and look at the next one, okay? And you're going to do this for all of these points. So, and if you're asking, Mr. Mian, well, what about this second point? This one you're not plugging in. You could, and if it gave you the same x, you would say that it's a point on the graph. But honestly, that's such a bother. Just plug in this first number and see if it gives you the second number. Let's go over here. Remember that this is your x and this is your y. So y is equal to 3 times x, right, plus 5. What's my x here? 2. So 3 times 2 plus 5. Well, what is 3 times 2? That's 6, right? So 6 plus 5, and that gives you 11. Is that the same thing as this guy here? Yes, it is. So then this one is on the graph, and we're going to keep doing that.